Hi everybody and welcome to the Junk Journal Tutorials and More 5,000 member drawing. Yay! I want to thank everybody for signing up to the Facebook group. It's been great since I took the site over, or the site. I'm used to having websites. Since I took the group over, it's been very exciting and very fun, and I'm really glad that everybody is here. Now, this is the drawing for the two journals, and so if you're an entrant, you have a very good chance of winning. I think maybe people thought that a bunch of people would enter and they wouldn't have a chance of winning, or people just didn't want to post pictures of their projects, I guess. So there's only 13 entries and there's 2 prizes, so your chances are pretty good. We're here at the random number generator, which is how I do my drawings. And we started with the lower limit of 1 and the upper limit of 3. This is from a previous drawing that we did. So let's generate the first number. This is going to be for Spring Blues Journal, number 9. Let's see who that is. Carol Thornhill. So she got the Spring Blues Journal. Congratulations. I hope you like it. These are my 2 design team projects for Line Dot Arrow. I really like doing her projects, and I've been on her design team for a very long time. So let's go for the Forget Me Not Tall Slim. Number 12, look at that. That's Sherry Evans. I'm not going to try to ruin your name. I'm not. I'm just going to call you Sherry. How about that? So you won the Tall Slim. Congratulations. Sorry, I'm typing. Apparently I can't type and talk at the same time. Now, I'm pretty sure both of you are in the U.S., so I don't think I have to worry about that. I'm going to mail your prizes out sometime between the 3rd and the 5th and 6th of June. Frankly, because I get paid on the 3rd, and it'll take me a day or so to get everything together. So I will send those out to you. Congratulations once again. Thank you to everybody who entered. And I will see you guys in the next drawing that we have for the site, or for the Sweet Pea Papers YouTube channel. Maybe the Sweet Pea Papers Junk Journal group, Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group. I'm really messing up everything this morning. It could be because it's 1 o'clock in the morning. And the Junk Journal Tutorials and More Facebook group. So all the links are going to be below to all the groups and all the channels and all the everything. And go ahead and click on those and give us a visit if you just happen to wander by for the drawing, and sign up, and you'll have a good time with us because we are fun people. All right. Thanks again to everyone, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.